Bitcoin just received a buy signal, but our other indicators are not quite there yet for what I would look for when trying to make an entry. I want to talk to you about where I think Bitcoin could be heading next. And guys, spoiler alert, it is a crash in the market, but there is one structure support here that could save us. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we have 284 successful trade calls, 0 losses in our membership trades. This person became debt-free with these indicators. This person earns $1,000 to $5,000 a day, 10% profit, 50 to 70% profit, and it just goes on from there. I wanted to show some empirical data showing that we are the real deal here at Trade Confident. For our members, we just posted a brand new future forecast video. The 3-time collapse of the stock/crypto, real estate, and the dollar markets could be here. Have you hedged at all? You really need to pay attention to what's coming. We're talking about stocks and bonds tanking, real estate crumbles, and the dollar collapse. And from there, we're going to show you how Travis has hedged against the dollar, key support levels he's watching, which buy limits have hit and which are still open. A lot of our traders have been asking this recently in our emails. A clear risk management plan to help you navigate this season. This isn't hype, this is preparation. You need to pay attention to this video as soon as possible. Get access with a membership at the links in the description down below. And with that, let's talk about Bitcoin. Right now, there is still a lot of leverage to the downside. Now, this data is from CoinGlass. This is the liquidation heat map. What this tells us right here is that whales are likely going to hunt down this liquidity and take it out. You're going to notice when there's a lot of liquidity in the market, whales cross over that. They try and take the liquidity out of the market, and this is going to cause a further crash. This allows whales and retailers, if they are smart, to get in at lower levels. You want to trade with whales, not against them. And one of our indicators is actually going to help you do that. As the market crashes, this is where we can expect whales to buy, and from there, a much larger pump could happen. And you're going to notice right here, this bright yellow line sitting at $85,000, $85,208 to be exact, is the next highest move. This is where we could see a potential bounce after a move down to the lowest level of 74,000. Let's take a look at the charts. What I want you to see here is structure support sitting between $74,000 and $70,000. Anywhere in this range is in play. And we know this because this is where previous major structure supports have sat. This would indicate a break above and then a retest of these levels. Very common in the crypto and other markets to see a retest after a major break. And we haven't quite retested it yet. Yesterday's candle where we got the buy signal got very close, but not quite there. Whale money is neutral. In fact, it's sitting at a level about 54. This means it really could go either direction. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to. So if we see this green line move up from our descending structure support here on this falling wedge pattern, let's extend this to make it a little more clear. This could be a very important point to pay attention to. If we bounce from this level, we're likely to move simply back up to structure resistance here, this descending resistance on the falling wedge pattern. This sits at a level of about 83, but we could easily break to 85. We see candle wicks above our resistance sometimes. Very normal. It's hard to tell exactly what's going to happen next. If whale money moves into the market, this is where we're likely to see a pump. If whale money moves out of the market, this is where we could see a further crash. We've already broken out of this bear flag pattern that I have here in the brighter yellow color. And most often a bear flag is going to break all the way down to the bottom of the length of its flagpole from breakout. And this puts us at a level of about $68,000. Guys, I need you to pay attention. Most often when looking for an entry, we want to see a buy signal. We want to see price versus money flow low. We want to see trades in favor low. Trades in favor low means that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Price versus money flow low means that whales have oversold and are likely to buy into the market. As whales buy, indicated by this green line moving up, the price increases. And we want to see a buy or strong buy signal. We have that buy signal, but price versus money flow is not at a good point. Trades in favor is not at a good point for a potential entry. While some may feel comfortable at this level, based on where we're at in the crypto market, I just don't. So with that in mind, we're going to be setting some alerts. Right here, We already have them. Bitcoin 1-day strong buy, Bitcoin 1-day buy, Bitcoin watch for pump. We actually got a buy alert earlier today. Really quick, how you set these alerts is to go to create alert. You're going to switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and you're going to name it. This will set your watch for pump alert. From there, you're going to set it to the TC top and bottom finder, keep it at a buy signal once per bar close and name it, and then you're going to set it for a strong buy once per bar close and name it. That is how you are going to get these 3 alerts. Watch for pump alert, trades in favor has closed in the long trade zone, downward momentum has run out and you're likely to bounce to the upside. Buy or strong buy alert, you just got a buy or strong buy signal on your chart, and this could be an ideal candle entry. Again, you want all 3 signals to be low and bullish in order to call an entry. This is the combination of entry signals that we've used to earn 284 successful trade calls. And if we head to our trade setups page and view the performance record, let's zoom in here, get a closer look. 78.87% of the time, we don't even need to use risk management in order to win the trade. This is going to successfully win a trade 78% of the time. From there, as we see here, our risk management strategy brings up that full 100% win rate. And I'll show you that risk management strategy as we get closer to a potential entry. You want to pay attention to these indicators for your next possible entry signals. And you want to watch this future forecast as soon as possible if you want to know about the upcoming market crash and what we're doing about it here at Trade Confident. This is available with our membership, and members actually get access to our indicators for up to $550 off. So what you're going to want to do is head down to the links in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page, 25% off your first month, less than $50 to get started. Head up to the indicator page, and with that $50, you get $150 off. The coupon code here, use that to get $150 off Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the next future forecast episode today. Don't miss out.